Alright, let's see what we got here now. Got a zero turn. It's a Badboy. It's the MZ Magnum. It's pretty cool. Got 725cc Kohler. It's got an issue with no start. Let's see what's going on with it. Alright, I noticed right off the bat this corrosion battery situation there. I'm gonna go ahead and clean that up, get that battery out of there, put it on the charge overnight, I'll come back in the morning. Okay, now we got the battery in, cleaned up the terminals. The batteries seem to be taking a charge, so let's see here. Okay, let's check that voltage. All right. Yeah, it's went down. It's went down from 12.6 to 12.4 already. So, yeah, that battery's gonna have to get replaced. And did you hear it kind of hanging them up a little bit on compression? Let's check those valves too while we're at it. Okay, so we have a jump on there. I'm gonna see something real quick. So when I turn this, so I got my power probe here. When I turn this key, I should see voltage kick over to the solenoid. Should see, right? Okay. Let's see if I can kick it over. Well, we may just have a bad battery. Okay, so let's see what we got. We got our brand new battery in there. Let's choke it. All right. Okay, all right. Well, it just was a battery. And it was the wrong one. I put a 350 co-cranking amp in there. That's what these boys like here, especially with these big Kohlers on them. Yeah, we didn't have to do the valves. That's good, and that. So, well, another successful repair. Well, I appreciate everybody hanging out with me today, getting this thing up and running again. With that being said, remember, it's just nuts and bolts, and God bless. You just never know. Sometimes it's the simple stuff.